everybody, Arnaldo Wafferman here. I'm here with Bill Brown. We are at the Infocomm 2019 show. So, Bill, tell me a little bit about who you're representing and some of the really cool products you guys have to offer.
Hi, I'm Bill Brown from Garrets International. We actually do fabrics, flooring, projection screens, and crazy equipment for the entertainment industry. But today what we're showing is actually Hologauze. It's actually one of our coolest products right now. It's actually a projection net designed for 3D projection, and where you can kind of make a kind of type of Pepper's Ghost effect with it. And actually, it's usually a lot more easy and cheaper than a Pepper's Ghost because you don't need the mirrors, you don't need the vinyl, you don't need all that crazy stuff with it. The key to it is that you actually see right here, you're seeing a little bit of splash to it on the back thing. You usually want to have the projector at a higher angle, or you want to have more powerful lights that'll blow through that to keep that going. But the key to it is that it's such a fine net. I can show it to you over here. It's such a fine net that when not lit, you can see right through it. But the key to it is it actually has silver in the threads. Okay. And that's what makes it so reflective and so brilliant and allows for the polarized projection if you want to do that on it.
Has it been rated as far as what the gain level of it is?
Yeah, I think it's about 0.15 if I remember correctly.
That's impressive.
I can double check that in my literature. But,
that is impressive.
Yeah, I have 0.15, not 1.5. I think if you're straight on and it goes down to like, I think a 0.1 if you're on a 30-degree axis.
That is incredible. And then, I mean, obviously this is Florida. It gets pretty hot in here. So, like, one of the projects that we've talked about is, creating walls in front of the DJ and all that. Does this let a good amount of air come in and out? Yeah,
fairly. Like, you still see, like, a little bit of stuff. But what you want to do is have just amount of tension. The big key to it is actually controlling the light in front of the Hologauze, because what you want to make it so, if you've ever used a scrim or anything like that, it's the same principle. You want to have it so the lights are all placed behind the scrim, or in this case the Hologauze, lighting the performer, and not in front, because otherwise you're going to go through and hit the scrim, and then, as you saw with the because of the silver in it, will actually reflect back brilliantly. So
absolutely. So lasers, take note, this could be a solution of having graphics in midair and still letting those beams pass through. So now, if somebody orders this from you, how does it go? Does it come in raw like this? Do you offer to have edges on it? Like if they want?
We can do it both ways. We sell it by the yard if you need to, and it comes in either a 15-foot width or a 24-foot width. Or we can make a custom piece for you with webbing, grommets, pipe pockets, and stuff like that. Typically what we've been doing most of the time now is doing webbing and grommets on top, pipe pocket on the bottom, and what we'll be doing is little, in the hems on the side, is put a little aircraft cable in there, just to give it a little more tension on the sides. Awesome. But that's the typical way we're doing it at the moment.
So do you go through a dealer network, or do they order directly through you?
They can order right from us. We're the distributor of this in the United States, so you should be able to go to www.garrets.us to order it, or call us at 609-771-8111, and somebody will help you.
Awesome. Thank you very much, Bill. If you want to go and get the video of that so they know exactly the website and all that info. So thank you so much again, Arnaldo Wafferman, Garrett First at the Infocomm 2019 show. Hey, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more like it, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Garrett First, honest reviews, incredible gig logs, lots of tips and tricks, and more tutorials than any other YouTube channel. I guarantee it, or your money back.